What's going on, YouTube? Today is the day where I get a new vehicle, and it's automatic. Today I'll be in the 2026 Prius hybrid. What happened, Q? How did we end up here? Well, we'll talk about that later. But let me go on in here. I haven't greeted myself to my sales rep, so let's go ahead and get the deal done, introduce you to the car, and I'll show you a little bit more later. I am in here in close neighbor city, Toledo, Ohio. The rivalry with Michigan, the whole state of Ohio. You guys know, go blue now. But yeah, I'm in here going to get the plug-in version of a Prius, and I had the dealership swap it, so the car is inside now. Trading in one of my cars to get this, so yeah, let's get the deal done. A couple hours later, we got all the paperwork done, everything set up. I got the rundown on how to use the car. Even though I had one of these as a press car, there's certain things that I didn't understand, and I got an explanation for that. So this is a 2026 Nightshade edition, and this is one of those special colors. It's called Karashi, which is Japanese for mustard, and guess what it looks like? Mustard! So what I do have is the PHEV, the plug-in hybrid. So I'll be able to plug this in, drive it for about 40 miles. So I do have the Nightshade, which is basically an XSE or the mid-range trim, so it comes with the 19s, the bigger wheels, so my efficiency is going to be less. It's going to have, I think they all might come with black mirrors, but I got black door handles, maybe some other black accessories up front. Yeah, the lower grill down there, pardon the wind noise, it's super windy out here. I got pinstripes on here, and I had them transfer this from another dealership that didn't do a deal with me. So you can tell it's a PHEV by the obvious. And I'm down here at Jim White in Ohio. How I raised this. I don't have the power lift gate that comes on the top trim. Got some all-weather floor mats. No idea what's up in here. Maybe I'll look at that later on. Can't wait to see this color in the sun, because I think they might make something similar on the LC500. And this is where you charge it. And on the other side, we got where you put the gas in. Oh my God, the car is locked. Do I got the key? But I do have an app where I can unlock the car. Why is that door locked? All right, so, oh crap. Maybe I need a button to open the gas tank. Jeez, oh peace. Okay, yeah, I had to press a button for that. Gas goes in on this side. And then to open this back, pull in, yes, the back seat. Let me go on the other side, see how the room is in the back seat, because that's going to be an important thing for me. Or not for me, because I ain't going to be back here. But for the children, ample space back here. Got about 4 to 5 inches of knee room. I did get the fixed sunroof, so double pane, slide it close to close it. Yeah, got leather seats up in here. Coming around to here. Did I mention the pinstripes? And up to the front, got some all-weather floor mats. I do have the 12.3-inch display. What else we got going on in here? Just read the window sticker. MSRP is $41,194. The options that I do have, so like I said, this is the Nightshade, which is the mid-trim. XSE is, I believe, what I think the trim is. So I do have a digital key capable, so I can use my phone, 12-inch, the sunroof, and yeah, that's all the options I got. MPGs, y'all do care about that. This is a different audience right here. $800 annual fuel costs. Man, my other two cars are much more than that. I save $45. I never have save on here. That junk is you spend. Yeah, I don't know if you guys remember, I had, well, before I deleted all my shorts on YouTube, but it's still on TikTok, where I popped the 19s on this. And this Nightshade has different all black wheels. It's different from the other ones. Black Toyota badge as well. Let me show y'all to the driver's seat. This is cold AF, and I got Actually, I can just go home now if I wanted to. But gotta say goodbye to my salesperson and introduce her to y'all. She's been a pleasure. The finance man as well, Greg. Shout out to him. So this car is, let me start it up. Silent. So I believe all trims come with a heated steering wheel. This one is going to have heated seats. Don't have ventilated seats. Poverty spec right here. And it would be a ventilated seat there. I'm going to crank the seat up because it's like 20 degrees. And then these are my EV modes down here. We got a couple drive modes. Got sport mode too. But I'll get into all of this in a separate video. And that's this goofy cluster up here. It's kind of hard to see the whole thing with the steering wheel. We're going to set that up because I haven't even set my driving position. So looking forward to making real world reviews on driving the plug-in Prius. I do plan on plugging it in often. We're at 93% now, about an hour and 15 minutes from home. So I am going to put it on a hybrid mode only and use EV for city because it doesn't make sense to burn the EV on the highway when it's pretty efficient on the highway. I need that for the city. So, yeah, let me go back in and show you the other car that I was going to get, but I had them transfer this car here. And during Toyotathon, which by the time I post this video, this will be over with. But December, 72 months. Actually, you can do like 48, 60, and 72 months for 3.99% APR. It's pretty good on these. And they're selling them for invoice as well. But let me go and show you all Allie, who's been phenomenal, and show you the other car that they did have, which it's a poverty spec, and you know I have a hard time with that. So let me go introduce you all to her. This is my saleswoman right here, Allie. She's been phenomenal, spectacular with everything today. So she helped put this deal together. So Allie, go ahead and give us your information.
Yeah, I work here at Jim White Toyota on Central Avenue in Toledo, Ohio. If you're in need of a car or have any questions, my contact number is 419-345-1478. I'm here every day except Wednesday and Sunday, but I always have my phone on me, so feel free to reach out.
All right, thanks, Allie. So this is the Prius that I started to get, but the base model, like, not that the wheels are a bad thing to me. I like the color. That was the first thing that drew me to them. 1 cent over invoice is another thing. And notice the lower fascia, like I pointed out earlier. This is silver as opposed to black like mine. This does have black mirror caps. I have a black Toyota badge. And the door handles are not black. And we have cloth seats as opposed to leather, which I don't mind. The interior is a little bit different. You got some red going on. Why mine don't look like that? Yeah, I don't think this has ambient lighting, but it does have heated steering wheel, but not heated seats. I cannot do that. No sunroof. I want the sunroof because it's kind of dark in there. Other than that, it's quite a few other things like wireless charger. This doesn't have that, but maybe I'll do another video going down the differences between the two. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Microphone died, so audio might not be the best. That's why I got to film inside the car. And I'm actually going to film inside the car because it's cold AF outside. So, got any questions, videos that you want to see, drop a comment and let me know. I will get to that. So, until next time, thank you all for being here on the journey. Greatly appreciate you. You guys make sure you drive safe, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.